Hey guys, it's BMXer for Life here. This is our second video. This is another bike check of my second BMX bike that I do own. This is a Hutch Evo, which I have done some upgrades on. Not too many, but some. This comes with a stock Hutch stem and headset integrated. It's got stock, nice wheels. It's not bad. I think this weighs about 26.5 or 4 pounds. Shadow Conspiracy seat, Shadow Conspiracy pedals, Shadow Conspiracy bars. Let me think here. Cranks, I actually don't remember. I think they got them off a kink bike, I believe so. I think it was a kink launch. Not very nice, but I don't even mind. Bike's not bad. I used the bike for about a year, and after I got my Sunday, I kind of just sat in my garage since then. I'll probably be doing some posted videos, just show you guys. I probably be selling this bike actually, but it's also going to be used for our montages at the park. So thank you guys. Have a good day.